In this lecture, we are going to learn about what is known as quadratic probing. So it's again a strategy for collision resolution in hashing or a hash table. So collisions are a big problem in hash table because the number of elements that you insert, if it's greater than the hash table size, so there will be collisions. Okay, so how we can handle collisions? So we have what is known as closed hashing. Okay, so we will just look with some examples what I'm saying. Okay, so in closed hashing, what we do, if some collision occurs, we try out alternate cells until we get some, for insertion we get some space. Okay, so let's try out. So what are those alternate cells, how we try? So initially we just said that we have a hash function and hash of x wherever we get. Okay, so this cell will be where I will put that element. Okay, hash of x. But what happens if some element is already there at the cell number hash of x? In that case, we will try out another cell. Okay, so let's look here. So this is the hash table. Okay, this is our hash table, and we have some, initially we used hash of x is x mod of 10, and so we said that okay, if we have numbers 3, 5, 13 and 24, 33, what will happen here is that 3 will come here, then your 13 will also get hashed here with this hash function x mod 10, and 33 will add here. So if we used kind of open hashing, okay, so we would make it here a linked list, so 3, 13 and 33. So that was open hashing, but this we saw that it required some extra data structure, that was linked list, so we did not prefer that. Okay, so what we do is that we now have closed hashing. Okay, so this closed hashing, it means that in fact you see, so 5 comes here and 24 comes here, so this has only 5 elements we inserted, we have 10 cells. Okay, and still lot of them are empty. So the closed hashing basically says that okay, keep on hashing, okay, till we find some alternate cells. So if I have 3 here already, and when 13 comes, so I will not insert it here. Okay, I will try to put it at some alternate location. And what will be that alternate location? So it will be given by that hix will be hash of x plus some function. This is the closed hashing system. And here what you do, so if we tried out, fi is a function. Okay, and we are now using quadratic probing. So for quadratic probing, we try to probe where is the next empty cell where I can put it. So f of I is equal to I square. So hence your hix becomes hash of x plus I square. And here we use I square because in linear probing, basically there was a problem of clustering. Okay, so clustering effect was there. So now what we do, we let's try to see with example for quadratic probing, and then we will understand. So how should I remove these? So let's delete a few things from here from the table, and now let's see how we write. So this color I will choose, it will not write properly, red is fine. So when I insert 3 and let's say okay, something like this, 45, 54, these are the things we want to insert. So 3 if I insert, so I will have a hash function hi of x is h of x plus f of I mod table size, so which is 10. So now h of x was also x mod of 10. Okay, So what will happen now when I insert 3? So 3 plus f of 0 is 0. So 3 plus f of 0, which is 0 mod of 10, this will be 3. So 3 is inserted here. Then we have for 5 also h of 5, h05 is 5 plus 0 mod of 10, so it's 5. It comes here. Now let's try to see for 13. So 13, what happens if we try h013? It will be 13 modulo 10, h of x will be 13 modulo 10, so 3 plus f of 0 percentage 10, so it will be 3. But we see that okay, 3 is already occupied, so we now try alternate location for h13, so I is equal to 1. So this will be h of x is 3 plus 1 square, okay, percentage 10, so this is 4 percentage 10, so 4, so I will put 13 here, okay. So next what will happen, we have 24. So 24, h0 of 24 will be 4 plus 0 modulo 10, so it is 4, but 4 is already occupied now. So h1 of 24 will be 4 plus 1 square, so 5 modulo 10, so 5 is also occupied, so another collision. So h2 of 24 is, so 24 modulo 10, 4 plus 2 square, okay, percentage 10. So 4 plus 4, 8 modulo 10, so it will come here. So 24 will come here. Then what will happen, your 33. So 33 modulo 10 h0, what will happen here, h033 will be 3 plus 0 modulo 10, so it's 3, but 3 there is a collision. h133 is again 3 plus 1, 4, 4 is occupied, so h233 will be 3 plus 2 square, so 4 modulo 10, so it's 7. 7 is still empty, so 33 will come here. Then you have to do 33 is done, h45. Okay, so 45, h0 of 45 is 45 modulo 10, so 5 plus 0, so 5 will be the first place, it's already occupied. h1 45 is 5 plus 1 square modulo 10, so 6, and it will come here. So now you can see that there is not a clustering effect, because it's adding 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square kind of thing, and it's better than your linear probing, okay, because in linear probing we were just with wraparound, we were finding which is the next empty cell, we keep it there. So it was basically at 3, if we put 33, then it will occupy the next cell, 43 will occupy next cell with 2 collisions and so on, okay. So it was not that good. So but quadratic probing makes lot of holes and it fills the hash table, so there will be lesser collisions, okay. So this is the quadratic probing. I hope you understand this. So thanks a lot.